Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying your keyboard and mouse are rechargeable models. This matters because you will use the charging ports rather than swapping cells. Once done, find the USB-C, micro USB, or proprietary port and remove any dust cover so the connector fits snugly. Plug a known good cable into a powered USB port or wall adapter. Make sure the adapter provides sufficient current. You're now ready to connect the cable to the device and move on to monitoring indicators. Now you connect the cable to the keyboard and mouse, pressing straight in to avoid stressing the port. If the fit is loose, try a different cable or port. You'll see an LED change color, a blinking pattern, or an app battery meter. These confirm current flow. Make sure the devices rest on a flat, ventilated surface so heat disperses. Using them hard while charging can slow charge and increase temperature. Once indicators show progress, let them charge until the recommended level. When the indicator shows full or the suggested time has elapsed, unplug the cable and reattach any covers. This preserves port integrity. If charging didn't start, make sure cables and adapters are functional by testing another device. Inspect ports for debris and gently clean contacts. If problems continue, reset the device, check for firmware updates, and try a different power source. If none of those steps work, consider contacting support or replacing the battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.